Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the BCom 6th Sem Computer Application class. I hope you all are well at home and please be safe. In this pandemic situation, be at home and be happy with your family and daily basis watch the recorded classes. Today we are discussing the computer application subject of your BCom 6th Sem. In this sem, you are having the whole Tally, that is Tally Enterprise Resource Planning 9. It's an accounting software. In this sem, you are studying in detail this accounting software, that is Tally ERP 9. Introduction to Tally ERP 9. Features of Tally. Benefits of Tally. First screen of Tally. And components of gateway of Tally. Okay, these things we are discussing today. Introduction to Tally. It's a financial accounting software. Here, the concept of Tally software was introduced in 1986 only by S.S. Goenka, who was the founder of company Petronix Private Limited. Later, it's named as Tally Solutions Private Limited. Tally is the currently number one accounting software in India's market. Tally is enterprise resource planning accounting software package that is used to record day-to-day business data of a company, and it's most financial accounting software used in India for small and medium enterprises. It is complete enterprise software. And apart from Tally ERP9, different softwares also are used in India as accounting softwares for maintaining their company's accounting. Those are QuickBooks India, Busy Accounting Software, Profit Books, Logic, Vyapar. Okay, these are the different accounting softwares used in India. And Tally versions, the Tally different version it's having. 3, Tally 7.2, Tally 8.1, Tally 9. Just see here, one important of this is the 3.6 addition of this is 9. Similar way, Tally 4.5 also 9, 5.4 also 9. All the versions are 9 only here. All the versions, the numericals are, if you add those numbers, that shows 9 itself. Means yearly from 1990 only, they introduced this Tally and different Tally versions they created. Here versions are nothing but how you will be having addition of books, edition 1 2 3 like that. In addition, what changes they'll do, only they'll add little bit new portion in that which are essential for our day to day life, and they'll remove the not used, means which are not useful for us, they'll remove that portions. Okay, similar way here Tally different versions, they have introduced a new concepts in each and every versions. Okay, Tally 9 ERP 9 is latest one. Nowadays in market Tally Prime is there. Tally 9i is also there, that is used for internet purposes. Then Tally Prime is there. You know, Tally Solutions Private Limited introduced Tally Prime also. But you are in your syllabus you are having Tally ERP 9. Then we are discussing features of Tally 9. Okay, it is very user friendly. It's very simple, simplicity, like Tally ERP 9 is and it also allows easy keyboard operations. It requires basic knowledge of accounts. Already you know the accounts, what is account and all. In your commerce subject only you studied that account. If you have that knowledge, it's enough. And little bit of how to operate with the computers in your syllabus only you studied, that is enough for working with the Tally. Next, it provides instant result. You can get an instant result here. Whatever the data you are feeding, based on the commands you can get your result. Okay, manually if you are going to do the accounting, but in computerized Tally it's very easy. You can get result instantly. Everything is predefined. Using those commands you can get your result easily. And it remembers all accounting records, like everything you can install into Tally, you can insert into Tally, you can enter the data, whatever the customer is providing, you can enter into the software. That every records will be detailed, will be maintained like databases in accounting software. And it is flexible. It provides flexibility to generate instant reports for any given period, like monthly, yearly, quarterly. Every information you can get from that, or at any point of time, besides providing the facility to toggle between accounting and inventory reports. As well as you can maintain inventory system details also, okay, in a Tally. And scenario management is also there. Here the replicates can be maintained. The different companies you can create, you can manage all the information. And it is secured software, provides powerful audit facility. It is secured, like you can put password for the company and you can use that whenever you required. Only at that time you can use with the, you can open the company and you can work with the accounting. You can put the passwords for that. Okay, it provides secured audit facility also. And here they have included VAT, GST and also include MIS reporting capabilities. It will calculate your VAT also and GST also. And MIS reporting capability is also there in your Tally. And it is open database connectivity facility. It provides open database connectivity here. It provides open database connectivity, that is you can link other compatible database softwares. Okay, you can connect with the other database software also. It provides online help. It provides online help, like it provides instant assistance on basic and advanced features or any other relevant topics of Tally ERP 9. It will provide online help also. Generation operation can carried out in other languages than English. Like you can get your regional languages reports also, like you can get in Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, whichever the regional language you are using. In that regional language also you can take a reports from a Tally. Accounts reports you can take a printouts. It will helpful for that. So multilingual, multi-language supporter. It is multi-language supporter. Then one more feature is mass mailing feature. Like it allows the user to email a single report to multiple persons. A single report can be sent to the multiple persons. The report can be mailed to many people at a time, that is there. And real time processing. Here, immediate posting and updation of books of accounts as soon as the transactions are entered, thereby facilitating instant statements and reports. It also facilitates real-time multi-user environment. Okay, if it is connected with the internet, it will be multi-user environment. Immediately you can post and update the books. Okay, so it is real-time processing. Then remote access. Here remote access means it provides remote capabilities to access the data from anywhere, anytime. If it is connected with the internet, you can access data from anywhere, anytime. Okay, these are the main features of your ERP9, which provides auditing and compliance capabilities exclusively for chartered accountants. Okay, that facility also it provides. Okay, these all are the features of Tally 9, ERP9. And what benefits we can get from the Tally 9? Okay, what benefits we are getting? The first point is here, it will simplify accounts. Like accounting software solutions influence the control in the hands of a non-accounting audience, as they are designed to give numbers meaning and to perform automated calculations. With a little to spend on training cost, these systems enable the business owners to complete all accounting operations and comply with legal standards with ease and simplicity. Like it will simplify the accounts, and whatever reports you want, automatically it will generate the reports, you can get that one. And to save cost, okay, here the accounting software solutions automate most of the core calculations and administrative procedures, thereby also take control of the revenue framework so that businesses will not be required to outsource finance management to an external expert. Like here, best example is for distribution of documents to end user via accounting systems would be sending of account statements and ledger copies via Gmail integrated into the accounting software module. Here in a Tally ERP9 profit and loss accounts, trial balance, everything, and easily you can using the mass mailing and using the real time processing features, you can send all the reports to everyone. Here it saves your cost. And transparency, it's also one benefit what you are getting from the Tally ERP9. A good accountancy system is one that avoids costly and recurring human errors. Okay, in this accounting software, it will calculate accurately. Automatically calculations are most helpful, which plays an important role in financial transparency audit. Automatically it will calculate everything. And accurate forecasting, it's one of the major feature of this accounting software, and also it is also one of the benefit also. Like without a proper accounting system detailing on the patterns and trends of financial performance would take ages to complete. But this accounting software will give the solutions within a fraction of second. You can get the solutions here. It will give the best facility of accounting. Then productivity. Here productivity, the whatever the information use of the available resources and thereby increase the efficiency of reporting standards by providing accurate data, which in turn helps management in taking informed decision making. Like using this tally all the features within a fraction of second with in a speed. You can complete that calculation and you can provide reports. From this you can increase your productivity of your company. Complying with tax laws. Okay, it follows tax laws also. The Tally ERP9 follows all the tax laws of the government, and based on that it will calculate your VAT, GST, TDS, TCS, everything. You will get a predefined solution, tax solution also from this Tally. And maintaining customer relationships. Okay, here it will maintain a good customer relationships. Whatever data you are providing, based on that you can prepare the reports and easily you can pay the tax through that also, and easily you can get the reports here in your regional language also. You can provide them the reports like profit and loss account reports also, as well as trial balance reports also, and daily what the day book also information. You can get it in a regional language. You can provide it to your customer. It maintains a very good customer relationships in Tally. And data security. The data will be secured. You can provide password for that. You can maintain secured data here. No one can access the Tally administration. Okay, you can set the password for your Tally software. Okay, these are the main benefits what you are getting from the Tally. Then it's a first screen of Tally. Page king size notebook for this Tally accounting, Tally ERP9, and whatever the classes, whatever we say like draw this first screen, you have to draw this first screen of Tally. That you have to do it in your that 200 page king size notebook only. You maintain the notes. It will be helpful for your future examination as well as for your knowledge purpose also. If you are anywhere, if you are trying for accountant job using this Tally software, if you are working on this Tally, then it will be helpful for you, okay, in your further actions. So make 200 page king size notebook and draw this first screen of Tally ERP9, and notes will be provided for you people in a PDF. Will provide. Okay, at that time you can copy that information in your notebook. Just go through with this first screen of Tally ERP9. It is here. Whenever you how to start with the Tally, just I'll explain the steps. That will be showed practically on a recorded classes only. I'll show that. You should install the Tally ERP9 software in your laptop or PC. Install that software and you are getting start programs. In that you will be getting the Tally icon. On that, click on that, it will open the Tally first screen for you. This is a first screen. Else you can place one shortcut icon on the desktop. Just double click on that, it opens a Tally software for you. Okay, it is a first screen of in that many options are there, and this is a main area where company name is there. And it is below that excuse, below that you are having here Tally logo is there. That is from Tally Solutions Private Limited logo is there. And it is information panel where you will be having version of a Tally, then what are the features of a Tally, everything that will be displayed here below information panel. In that it is taskbar is there, and here calculator is there. One automatic calculator is there where you can do the simple calculations. That will be activated by pressing Ctrl plus N. Okay, here it is button area. It is calculator panel is there. Button area, you will be having shortcut function keys over here. you will be means in next classes, in further classes you can understand this button area, what and all